Hello everyone. In this lecture the difference between Langue and Parole is explained in detail with various examples. But if you are new to my channel then please like the video and subscribe the channel. Let's first learn Langue. Langue is the underlying, abstract system of rules and structures that governs a language. What does it mean? First you need to remember that langue is a French word, which means tongue or language. Secondly, you should also keep in mind that the concept of langue and parole was proposed by Swiss linguist Ferdinand de Sassure. But the question is, what langue is according to him? The simple answer is, langue refers to the collective knowledge shared by a speech community about their language. What does it mean by collective knowledge by a speech community? Actually, it means that whatever knowledge you have about your own language is called a langue. There must be a question in your mind that what knowledge about a language can be included in a langue. Basically, according to him, langue includes knowledge of grammar. By this point it means that, according to Ferdinand de Sassure, whatever grammatical knowledge a speaker has about a language, whether they are set of rules for building sentences, the way words change their form, and how sentences convey meaning is included in langue. To make it more simple, it refers to the knowledge of subject-verb agreement, verb conjugation, sentence structure, and word order, etc. The next point is pronunciation system. It is another point that langue also includes the knowledge of pronunciation. Basically, this refers to the set of rules that governs how sounds are produced, combined, and stressed to form words and sentences. It involves vowel and consonant sounds, intonation patterns, and syllable structure. Actually, every speaker has a knowledge that how a word is pronounced, stressed, or meant. So, this is also included in langue. In other words, you can say, this refers to the set of rules that governs how sounds are produced, combined, and stressed to form words and sentences. Shared vocabulary. This is also included in langue, that every speaker has a common understanding of words and their meanings, which allows speakers to comprehend each other. To make it easier, I would say whatever knowledge you have about a language is called langue, as you have understood it. Let's learn parole. Parole refers to the specific instances of using language in actual communication, where speakers put the underlying system of langue, grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, into action. What does it mean? Simply, it is the opposite of langue, because langue refers to the knowledge of a language while parole refers to the actual use of that knowledge in communication. Actually, it's about performing actions through language. It can be requests, orders, greetings, stories, emotions, etc. You can say, langue provides the foundation and parole is the practical application of language in communication. Simply, langue is the abstract, structured system of language shared by a linguistic community, while parole refers to the individual instances of speech or language used by individual speakers within the community. I hope you have enjoyed this lecture, but please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.